Today I'm going to show you how to insert a tick mark in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to fill out forms, mark completed items, or simply indicate approval on digital documents without having to print them out. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the Pro DC version, as this feature is specifically available in that edition. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your PDF files. Next, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF document where you want to insert the tick mark. This could be a form, a checklist, or any document that requires your mark of approval. Click on the file to open it in the main workspace. Now that your document is open, look toward the upper left corner of your screen and click on All Tools. This will expand a comprehensive menu showing you all the various tools and features available in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. It's your gateway to accessing editing, commenting, and form-filling capabilities. In the left sidebar that appears, click on Fill and Sign. This tool is specifically designed for adding text, signatures, and marks to your PDF documents, making it perfect for our task of inserting tick marks. Once you've selected Fill and Sign, navigate to the Fill and Sign Yourself option in the left panel. This section gives you direct control over the marks and annotations you want to add. Here you'll find the checkmark button. Click on it to activate the tick mark tool. You can now add a checkmark on your PDF file. Simply click anywhere on the document where you want the tick mark to appear, and it will be placed instantly. This makes it easy to mark multiple boxes or items quickly across different pages of your document. If you need to adjust the size of the tick mark to fit properly within a checkbox or to make it more visible, you can easily do so by dragging the corner of the checkmark. This resizing feature ensures that your tick marks look professional and fit perfectly within the designated spaces on your form. And there you have it. You've successfully added tick marks to your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, making your digital workflow smoother and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.